after 2 weeks of using this Android phone TCL 5G Next, I love it. I love it in the first few days. I really love it. I like the design. I like how it presented itself. I like the display. I really love everything about it. It's just like from time to time it gets slower. There are some things that this one cannot replace iPhone. But the best thing, to start with the best things with this one is lightweight. It's so light and it actually looks so thin. I really love the look of it. I like the display, and it's just that when I fitted this phone into this case, that proportion opened, and I told myself like, oh my god, this is a big issue. Next is what I really love about this is its display. It's paper display like that. I love this because it made me focus on what I'm reading and not actually the things that bothers me a lot, like notifications. The things that I hated is that it started to slow down. I didn't install a lot of apps. What I didn't like about it, the authentication, like sometimes they work and sometimes they don't, and interface of some apps doesn't look good. The wallet, I like the concept of the wallet here, but it's just like in Apple, there's like a seamless integration of wallet and Apple Pay stuff in here, and this one serves as my secondary phone. It works, but not as good as Apple. The next is the part where I miss my iPhone is that it's fast. For example, I'm driving the highway. You're not supposed to check your phone while driving, right? But sometimes like you need to change, like for example, you need to change maps, you need to add stops. This one takes an effort to do it. It has Gemini, communicates through Gemini. Apple is much better. Like it's fast, it's quick, and it's giving me that quick job that I need. I like how the size looks like. I love it. But if you're gonna ask me if I'm gonna use this like for the next 2 years, I would say big no. Reason, I might use other phones that is fast, quick, and easy. And the camera, by the way, the camera here is terrible. Let's just say I don't like the quality of the camera for this one. And the sound is fair, like I can hear it, but compared to iPhone's much better. This phone is way cheaper than iPhone, and the functions comparable. I think I actually like get used to iPhone, that's why. But don't get me wrong, I love the presentation of this app. Like I like Android. See, if Apple can behave like this, I would use this as my primary phone. But for now, let's just say that I'm going back to my iPhone. And I'm going back to that experience of seamless integration that addresses my need. I'm happy that I tried this one, but yes, I'm going back to my iPhone. Like right now.